the last question, sir. Do you have any suggestion? Or you've been in Indonesia for several times, and you watch the elementary students directly. So,
well, I've taught at all levels.
Okay, yeah.
Preschool, elementary, secondary, tertiary.
Okay, especially for children.
So little children.
Can we do something, at least
course.
small or big change that you quite sure we can do this right now at the moment?
Yes.
Some change.
Yes, you can start teaching English the moment they start school. Because you start later. And the younger you start, the quicker you learn. You can learn 4 languages at once if you're little. When you were a baby,
yeah,
you learnt a whole language just like that.
Yeah, with no effort.
No effort.
Yeah.
No teacher, you just learn.
Just like that.
But when you get older, it's much harder. So
Yeah.
you start young.
So we, I don't know, change the point of view.
Yeah.
Just feel
We have
relaxed.
many people coming to live in New Zealand because we have not enough people.
All right.
So you have more people in Jakarta than the whole of New Zealand.
All right.
And yet New Zealand is the same size as England or Japan. So we have hardly any people. So many of our people are coming to live and they don't have English as a first language. So they have to learn. We take refugees from Afghanistan, Somalia, where there is a war and people have to escape. So they come to New Zealand, the children know not one word of English.
Yeah.
And by the time they've been at school for 3 or 4 weeks, they speak English quite well.
In a short time.
In a short time, because they're young and they're ready to learn, they want to learn. And they learn most not from their teacher, but from their friends.
Perhaps teachers need to change their point of view so that they can be a friend. Make friend with the
Well, a
students.
teacher has to be a friend, but a different kind of friend.
Different kind of friend.
A respected friend.
Respected friend.
A respected friend.
Yeah, different kind of friend.
Yeah.
It cannot be just like the friend's friend.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. There is a
That-
difference.
Dr. John Hope, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you for asking me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say, but this is a very, you are the blessing today to us so that we can learn a lot, and I hope some of us here in Central Java can visit
Yes.
Auckland in New Zealand so that we can learn directly.
That's what I'm talking about.
you
So
very much.
maybe it will happen. But I want to express my appreciation too for you bothering to ask me. And I just say one more thing. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih kembali. Dan pemirsa, demikianlah perbincangan kita dengan Dr. John Hope. Kami bicara banyak sekali tentang pendidikan, kemudian tentang pengajaran bahasa Inggris juga dalam kunjungannya ke IAIN Salatiga. Mudah-mudahan Anda juga mengambil banyak sekali manfaat dari wawancara ini. Semoga Anda terinspirasi. Sampai berjumpa kembali di program Saksi selanjutnya. Satu Kamera Sejuta Inspirasi.
Yeah, I spread my hands. I try and keep my hands still.
No. Just relax and move naturally. So, okay.
So we start from the beginning?
Yeah, sorry.
Yes. So we're going to be talking about.
Yeah, just like that, naturally. So don't care about it.
Okay, that's good. Easier for me.
Yeah. And I feel really, really bad teacher talking to you.
No. You mustn't feel like that. I don't want you to feel like that.
But
But for Indonesian teaching, you're probably a very good one.
serious?
Yeah. Because even though I haven't seen you teach, the way you ask questions tells me something. It's not exactly how you teach. It's what's coming out from you. You're interested in people. You're interested in language, and your mind is open. I can see. You wouldn't ask those questions. Okay.